Hi everyone, Jillian here at Bliss Crystals, and today we're going to talk about crystal gridding. I'm going to show you how to create a grid step by step, and I'm going to take you through a bunch of different grids that I've created for different purposes. Let's check it out. So here are some crystal grids that I've created. This one would be one for love and joy and positivity, especially to help with things like depression and SAD disorder. These are all stones that have a happy and positive vibration. So we have amber, we have sunstone, tangerine quartz, peridot, and a clear quartz in the center. Here we have a grid that's for calm and peace and relaxation. This grid has amethyst, it has blue lace agate, blue kyanite, moonstone, and here we have our grid for manifesting wealth and abundance and financial security into our lives. We have pyrite, tiger's eye, green aventurine, citrine, and emerald. It's a beautiful combination. You always want to include green and gold when you do a grid for abundance and wealth creation. Here are the first steps in creating a crystal grid. Step 1, collect all the appropriate sized crystals that you will use on your grid, and then your base, which could be a wood grid, a paper grid, or any kind of cloth. Step 2, you will cleanse your crystals that you'll use in your grid using sage or a spray or some sound healing. Make sure to also sage and cleanse yourself and the space. Step 3, clarify what the purpose for your grid is. It could be anything from money, love, happiness, better sleep. Whatever it is, write it down and get really clear. And step number 4, you'll build your grid from the center, or you can start from the outer edges if you like. I like to start with a central quartz point for amplification purposes. That's really going to magnify and amplify all the energy of the other crystals on the grid. So you set that straight in the center. I like to move in a clockwise direction, which is activating. So you place your stones starting in the center. Here I'm placing moonstone. And this is going to be a grid for better sleep, relaxation, peace and calming. And then I'll work my way outwards. The next one I'm going to place is a blue kyanite. I'm going to place those on every other around where the moonstone is. We love symmetry when we're creating grids. And use your intuition here. Just do what feels right to you, what looks beautiful to you, what's pleasing to your eye. And then I'll place some blue lace agate, also very relaxing and calming stone, on these bigger petals going all the way around. And all while you're placing your stones, make sure to state your intentions for the grid, either out loud or in your mind. And then on these amethyst, I'm going to put them on the smaller petals going all the way around, again in a clockwise direction. Really using your own creativity here, your own intuition. And then lastly, putting some tall objects. It's nice to mix your rough stones, polished stones, tall stones, short stones, long stones. It's nice to have a mixture of different things for your eye to fall on the grid. You know, we're all about beauty and aesthetics here, so make it as beautiful as you like. And then finally, the last step, step 6, is you're going to activate your grid. So take a clear quartz wand that you have programmed for your intentions for the grid. So in this case, it's better sleep, peace, calm, and relaxation. You're going to really spend some time with that clear quartz, really getting clear and feeling those feelings of that peaceful relaxation. And then go ahead and create some type of activation statement. So that could be, I activate you to combine and amplify your energy for the purpose of peace, calm, relaxation, and better sleep. So touch the wand to your central stone and then touch it to your forehead. And then you can either touch the central stone and then touch each one and go back and forth, making sure you're touching each stone and then alternating touching the central stone again. Go all the way around doing that, or you can simply touch the stone with the wand and then hover over every single stone. Make sure you're pointing the wand directly at each stone while you are stating your intentions again and your activation statement. Just keep repeating it to yourself or out loud. Clockwise direction is activating. And once you get to the outer stones, then you can move your way inwards again. Just work your way in all the way to the center, moving in that clockwise direction. There you have it. You have a beautiful activated grid. You can leave it as long as you like. It could be a day, a week, a month. After several months, you will want to clear it off and refresh it again. And have fun, be creative, and enjoy.